What is going on tonight? Tonight on Cooking with Lucas, we're doing pickled eggs. Stay tuned. Alright, so all these eggs gotta go in the pot, obviously. Tea out of there. Now generally when I'm doing boiled eggs, I'll cook them for 7 minutes. Boom. Out in ice water. Ice water, stop the cooking process right away. These I want to make sure that they're a little bit harder, just because I don't want them to flake apart if they're in the vinegar for too long. So I'm going to go for 9 minutes. As soon as it starts boiling, you're going to take a look at the clock. 9 minutes on the clock. Take them right out, cold water, some ice. Nine minutes on the clock. So it's been a little bit more. It's been about 12 minutes. Gonna get them off. Gonna get them to stop cooking. So what I'm doing, getting rid of as much water as possible. Now, I'm going to throw ice on it. And get that ice water happening. Because I want them to stop cooking. And they are already... They've already stopped cooking. Just give them a minute. Next step, obviously you gotta get them out. Alright everybody, so what I don't have a toothpick, so what I've done is taken a spaghetti noodle, and what I'm going to do is as I'm putting them in, I'm going to stab it right through so that all the pickling juices end up getting onto the inside of the egg. Okay, one small screw up. I forgot to put in my garlic as I went. Not the end of the world. It'll fit in there. So I've got a whole thing of garlic here. So first things first, I'm going to put apple cider vinegar, my secret spices. Honestly, it's just a steak spice. Salt, about a teaspoon. Then top it off with regular vinegar. Make sure you're completely covered. Just for fun. I'm gonna just do that. Pop the lid on. You got yourself 30 pickled eggs, 8 to 10 days, and that'll be good in the fridge for about 4 months. Enjoy!